Hola a todos. I, this video will be in English. I'm just checking in the light. Okay, there we go. Hi, everybody. Thank you for watching this video. As you can see, the title of this video is the Astral Source Code. So I want to explain to you what is the Astral Source Code, because this might be a term that you hadn't heard before. So, and it is because it is a high technology tool. That's how I call it. Why a high technology tool? Because it is a method that uses the holofractographic field in order to generate an impact, a result in the 3D or in this reality, in this tangible reality. So the Astral Source Code refers. We have 7 bodies, let's say. If we consider the different scales that our multidimensionality manifests in our body. So one of these bodies is precisely a geometrical body, and it manifests through the holofractographic field because it's a fractal, it is a hologram, and it comes from the source. So this geometrical body is the result of your gravitational body, like the frequency, the body that generates from the gravitational field that your electromagnetic field is pulsing. The communion of these two generates your geometrical body. Each form of existence, each living being, has an unique geometrical body. This is the key to your unicity within the unity, because we know by now that the blueprint, such as the flower of life, it is embedded in the whole hologram as the space-time geometries. Nevertheless, when we are talking about this matrix, we have a specific code encoding, and this specific encoding and unique encoding translates into a unique geometry. Now, for instance, when you receive your birth chart, your astral chart, when you receive your natal chart, also known as, or when you go to a reading for your Akasha records, then all this information pulsing, it's pulsing somewhere. It's contained in a mold. This mold is your geometrical body. And now you will see in the cover of this video an example of one of the ways that your astral chart and your source code can manifest in order to be read. So the astral chart, all the specific information that it brings through the connection of the stars, to the constellations, to the zodiac wheel, manifests in a specific point of your source code, of your geometrical body. So your geometrical body enrouted to the specific constellation in a specific order, in a specific way, then when you become aware of this, when you see it, when we explain this to you, because this is something that Isaac Rodriguez and I are bringing together in the beginning, now at this moment, for the people who is joining us to the joining us physically and virtually to our Mexico tour 2023 within our platform, the community that we have created related to unified cosmology, precisely to unfold all that information, all those codes that connect you to specific informational fields, in this case, the Mayan codes, and that you came to ignite in this body, in this lifetime, at this present moment. Because if you're in resonance with the Mayans, then it's most likely that you once embodied those codes. So, and they are now calling you for any given reason, of course, all leading to your evolution. So when you do this, when you unfold all this information from the holofractographic field, from your geometrical body ignited and united with your astral chart, then it converts into a astral map, into a interstellar map. And I know it might sound too cosmic, however, it's very scientific. It's pretty related to quantum physics, to quantum mechanics, and of course, to your genetics. So, and to geometry, to mathematics, it's a very integrative form of opening up from a state of awareness to who you are and what you came here for. I mean by this, how you came here to evolve, because we came all here to evolve. So the key is in the how you choose to evolve. So all this information, we will be reading it to you with precise guidelines that will bring into your state of awareness. How do you relate to the stars? How does each one of your most important incarnations, to say it somehow, embodiments, relate to those constellations, and how it all translates to what is the wisest path for you to deliver at this present moment? Because just imagine when you are aware of how all this information is pulsing within your geometrical body. Your geometrical body, your source code, connects to the stars, to the constellations in specific patterns. And it's all reflecting, emitting, and receiving as antennas, as your neurons, all these receptors within your biology, within your electromagnetic field, within and magnetized by your gravitational field, then it's generating patterns. And those patterns are translated as the conducts that you are meant to nourish or to transform. And this all shows in your astral source code in a very precise form. And not only being aware of the information, also transforming it from the holofractographic field. And that is such a high technology tool, because then you're not merging with the novel. You are the observer, assuming the center, the axis of your own universe. That's the point of connection from which and from where you are able to transform your reality. Yet you are not merging into the novel, into the drama. You recognize it, however, you don't identify with it, because you are already transforming it through codes, through specific frequencies that are the result of quantum physics formulas from the vacuum formulas. And therefore, transforming it. Imagine before going to sleep, when you get to think about all the things that you did throughout the day, or throughout the week, or throughout the month, or throughout your life. And instead of just thinking it and saying, okay, I will do this, I will do that, I will ship this, I will nourish this, I will increase this, I will expand this, and so forth, you tune into all the information and you design from the holofractographic field your life with your astral source code. The astral part gives you the guidelines in a very specific form, and the source code gives you the how through the holofractographic field. So, well, if you're interested in knowing more about this high technology tool and participating, joining us physically, well, now it will be most likely virtually, to our Mexico tour, in order to use your astral source code to identify in a very accurate form all your encoding related to the Mayans and ignite it and enable it, then you can write in the email and the description below this video. Thank you very much for watching this, and EMITTED. Hunuch is the frequency of the one. If you're interested also in knowing more about this, you can watch my YouTube channel where I share more precise information and detailed information about this. Thank you very much.